Hey guys, it's me at the back on Essentially, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple Mario mask for a fun little idea, just a project idea since the new Mario movie came out. It's probably been a long time by the time this video gets published. So yeah, we're gonna start with a simple plain white A4 paper, and we'll be using some red A4 for our hat. And of course we're gonna need some marker as well. For example, we'll need a blue, and get yourself a brown one as well, and a black one as well. So yeah, this should do. So we're gonna do it in this style. So I just recently made this Beast Boy mask, and we'll be doing something similar to this, unlike this one, which is going to take an awful lot of time. So we'll be choosing this easier option of doing the Beast Boy mask. So yeah, let's start it with our white A4. So this shouldn't cost you much of the material you're using. So let's start with about half an A4 like this, and then fold it in half, and after that we'll be doing a drawing session right here. So we've got our face right there. It's weirdly curved like that all the way till the top, and then there's a tiny little ear right at the side. Okay, so we have our nose somewhere in the middle. Right there, and then we do have our mustache below the nose. Of course, that's the most iconic part of it all, so better not forget it. Alright, there's our mustache. It's too big. Let's size it down a little bit, and then we have our mouth, which is like smiling like this, and then our chin, the lower lip, and then let's draw the mustache on the other side as well, just like that, and draw our eyes alongside our eyebrows. So that's how our Mario looks in retrospect. Now I just need to modify the drawing a little bit, make the eyes a bit bigger and the mustache a bit bigger, head a bit smaller, and I'll quickly color this thing up, and I'll see you when all of that is done. Alright, so I've got the drawing down, so let me just quickly show you how to do the coloring. So first step, we will color the mustache. We're going to make an additional nose later on, so don't worry about being precise with the mustache. You just need to do this. You can use any sort of color material, doesn't have to be markers, but markers are preferred. Alright, so fill it in. Just like that. And then we'll use a bit lighter lighter brown. It's Morin, so we'll use Morin for the hair. Oops, I forgot the eyebrows. Let me finish that first. Okay, so the eyebrows, I use the thinner size. Right, so I'll quickly color these things and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so I added the decorations or more of like a coloring right there. So the next step would be to cut this piece out of the A4 paper. Shouldn't be a problem. So slow and steady, you want to separate these two pieces. Okay, so once this step is over, there will only be 2 more steps remaining. One is going to be the hat, of course, the iconic hat, and the other one, final step, would be the nose. That's our Mario. It does look like a monkey, not gonna lie. Just need to cut this a little bit. Alright, so why don't you guys go ahead and cut out like 2 circular pieces. We're gonna need one later on, and we'll use one of these for the nose. So that does look like Mario, doesn't it? Now let's use a piece of tape like this. I'll roll it around itself, and it's a double-sided tape. Now we'll put it right in the middle and then stick our circle up top like that. And there it is, a Mario mask. Now let's move on to the hat, which is the final step. So for the hat we are going to need, let's see, so it's gonna be curved like this. Okay, first let's simplify this by making this a bit smaller. Uh-oh, that's too small. Okay, let's do this the other way around. And you can fold this in half because it's going to be a symmetric piece. So just like that. And we use most of the upper part. This will act as a cap, and then there will be a logo right there. So the hat doesn't look like it's going to be much of a problem. So let's cut it out. And you can just put it in there like this, or we can sort of change this a little bit. Okay, that should do the trick. Yep, there it is, our Mario hat. Now let's add our design using some black marker. And here's where the other circular piece comes in handy. So we will cut off a curvature on it like this, so it looks like a moon. And then feel free to stick it in there using some tape, just at the top and the bottom. That should be fine. And we'll use some red marker to do the Mario design, Mario look, Mario logo. Okay, that's our Mario hat done as well, so let's just put it all together, and then there you have it, a fully finished Mario hat. Mario mask, I mean. Alright, we'll put one piece of tape right there, and another piece right there, and flip it over. This does look like those pancake art videos, right? From the back it looks really weird. Anyways, so we've got this thing. Then that is how our mask turned out. So now in order to turn this into an actual mask, you need to make tiny holes right there instead of the black spots. And then, like just like we did with the Beast Boy mask, we'll be making tiny holes on either side and passing a string through it, just to make a wearable form of a mask. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.